Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about one of the important interview question, Java 8 coding challenges in interview room. These type of questions are very important. They will give you a problem statement to you. Can you solve using Java 8 here? Nowadays, in a lot of interviews like Infosys, Capgemini, IBM, normal MNC companies, these type of questions are common. If you are attending an interviews, follow my series. We are going to start new series on Java 8 interview questions as well, guys. Okay, so let me discuss about the problem statement is I want to find out, okay, second highest number in a list. You have a list of elements. For example, you have a some example just time, you have a some numbers 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Now these are the elements you have, they given an example. What you need to find out is second largest number. Okay, guys, these questions we need to solve using Java 8 here. Okay, now that means you should be aware lambda expressions, okay, functional interfaces, streams, these are all the things you should be aware before solving this problem. Okay, now here what is the first highest number? 50. Are able to see all numbers are in the sorting order. This is first point you need to remember here. After, now if you sort this number, it will be in ascending order, right? First what you need to do, first you need to solve the problem. First highest number is 50 is the first highest number, right? This is the first highest number. Then second, what should you do? Just first number. Then what is the second number? Second largest number, 40. This is a we need to find out using Java 8 here. This is the first number. Second largest number. Okay, 50 is the largest number. Now this is for the second largest number. They can provide values in different format. Maybe they can provide 56, 34, 89, 54, like 98. Like this also they can provide sorting order. It can be any order. It can be a ascending order, it can be a descending order, doesn't matter. We need to solve this problem. Okay, how to solve this problem here? Okay, let me open my workspace. I created coding questions here. Now first problem statement we are trying to find out. So what I will do, we will do lot of examples, right? So let me rename this particular file so that it will be easy for you. Okay, this is the first problem statement I am finding. Second highest number. Okay, just I'm giving some random name, guys. Okay, just to find out why, because we will do lot of problem statements next series, so that's why, guys. Find the second highest number in a list. Okay, now through Java 8, first step, what should you do? The first step is, first you need to take a elements. Okay, now what I can do, by using arrays, okay, I can take some list of elements here. You can pass the numbers, maybe 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 50, okay, or 60. So the same problem statement will take, then we can change the numbers here. Okay, so what is the next step? I need to add into a variable. How to add into a specific variable? This is a numbers here. These are the numbers here. Now using Java 8, we have a concept called streams. How you can do? Just follow this number, numbers dot stream. We have a method called stream method. Are you able to see? Sequential stream and parallel stream. In our use case, sequential stream is required. Inside this stream, we have a method available called sort method we have. If you see sorted, if you do a sorted, what kind of elements you will get? Okay, now if you make a sorted means already elements are in the sorted mode, right? Now here, to get, I need in the reverse order, guys. I need in the reverse order here. Now this is as if you do a sorting, the numbers will be sorted in the which format? I mean to say ascending order format. So I want to make, see, we have a comparator. Okay, using this comparator, some predefined methods are available. One of the method called reverse order. What will happen? So this all numbers will be sorted internally: 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. Then here, once you sort the elements, okay, once you sort the elements, what is the first element normally, guys? 50. But I want to skip this element. I don't want the 50. I want to skip the first highest. Now what we can do, we have a method called skip method. So what we can do, skip one. It will be skip the 50 element. Then we have a method called find first and find any. Using this method, I can find out the first element from the list here. If element is not found, what should I do? I need to throw the exception, or else throw the exception. Just you can provide some kind of a runtime exception. We can do this activity as well. That's it. It's very simple. Now here you can provide some message: no second highest number. Okay, no highest found, some kind of a message. Now this whole thing I can store into some variable: second highest number. Third highest means skip two elements, three elements. It's kind of a dynamic data now. Now system.out.println. Now I can print the second highest number here. Now see here, right click, run as Java application. Now you can find out, see, 40. Now imagine I want to provide the another list of elements in the document we discussed. Let me provide this one. Copy and keep it to here. Let me take. Now right click, run as Java application. Now if you see, 89 is the second highest number. What is the first highest number? 98. Then 89 here. If you want the third highest number, now you need to skip two elements. That's it. In this pattern, we can found second highest number in a list here. Okay. Who are okay interested this type of questions, guys? At least one like is required from your end, and share to your friends as well. Next few series, lot of interview questions we are trying to solve as well, guys. Okay, thank you guys, and we'll catch up in the next session. Thank you.